On the other side, 91% of employees crave modern technology solutions so they can be more productive and technologically relevant. And to make things more interesting, remote work is now commonplace, so companies need to deliver devices and support to those remote employees, wherever they are. But remote work isn't without its challenges. Maintaining device security and preventing data loss are big, because 69% of SMBs in the US have lost sensitive data in security breaches. Windows AutoPilot helps companies deal with these and other common IT challenges. Users receive a new in-box device directly from the OEM or reseller partner, or a repurposed device from IT, and simply unbox it, log in, and take off. Within minutes, AutoPilot automatically installs the apps and settings. IT never has to touch the device, so configuration and setup can be done from anywhere. Instead of maintaining images and handling devices, IT just sets them up in Microsoft Intune, adds any apps and settings, and chooses a setup experience for users. Partners can also register devices with AutoPilot on their behalf, so users receive new in-box devices at their home, office, or even while traveling. And once employees turn on their shiny new devices, AutoPilot can set them up anywhere an internet connection is available, like a hotel room. Better still, it improves employee satisfaction by requiring only a few simple steps, making their new devices ready in just minutes. That includes applying all the user, device, and app policies that IT pre-configured, like enabling BitLocker so the device is secure from the start. Windows AutoPilot enables IT to deliver ready-to-go devices directly to users, frees up IT hours, and improves employee satisfaction. Get started today with Windows AutoPilot.